Hi, second grade. This is your math video today. Today we're going to talk about finding 10 more or 10 less. Let's get started. Okay, I have created a 100s board for us to use today. Now, if you have a printer, you can print one off or you can make one like I have made. Okay, so here's my 100. I start at 1 and I go all the way to 100. This is going to help us learn about adding 10 more or 10 less. I'm going to pick a number right here, okay? I'm going to circle that number. The number that I'm going to choose for us this first time is, I'm going to choose 25 right here. And I'm going to circle that. Okay? So I've circled my number, 25. Now I want to find 10 more than that number. So to find 10 more, I'm going to go over and I'm going to start counting and I'm going to count over 10. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I come over here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What number is 10 more than 25? What do we land on? You're right, it's 35. Good work. Now I want to find 10 less than 25. So I'm going to use my green marker this time. And when I'm adding on 10, I count bigger. So I always go this way on my chart. But when I am trying to find 10 less, I go smaller. So let's see. I'm going to start at 25 and I'm going to count backwards because I want to go 10 less than. And less than means smaller. So here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What number did I land on? You're right. I landed on 15. So 10 more than 25 is 35. 10 less than 25 is 15. Now, what do you notice about those numbers? You're right. The less than is the one on top of the number, and greater than or 10 more is the one on the bottom. Let's pick another number and see if that works too. All right, my next number that I'm going to circle is I'm going to use the number 72. So I'm going to circle that number right here, 72, because I know I'm going to use that number, okay? Now I want to find 10 more than 72. So which way am I going to go? You're right, I'm going to go this way, aren't I? Okay, let's count on 10. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What number did I land on? Yes, I landed on the number 82. That's 10 more than 72. Good work. Now I want to find 10 less than 72. Okay, so I'm going to count backwards. Here we go. 1, then I jump all the way over here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what number did I land on? You're right, I landed on the number 62. So 10 more than 72 is 82. And 10 less than 72 is 62. Now look at my numbers again. You can see there's my other one on my hundreds chart. You're right. The number 10 less than sits right on top of it, doesn't it? And the number that is 10 more sits right below it. That's an easy way to use to find 10 more and 10 less. But what happens if you don't have a number line? Well, let's talk it out. Here we go. Let me see here. I'm going to pick a number. On my board, I'm going to write a number. My number that I'm going to write is 22. Okay? And I want to find what is 10 more than 22. Well, I can count up 10 more, can't I? I sure can, so let's count up 10. And remember, I'm going to start at 22 and I'm going to count on 22, 20. I'm going to make tally marks so that I know. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So what is 10 more than 22? You're right, it's 32. Okay, now I'm going to do 10 less than 22. So I have to count backwards. I'm going to make my tally marks again so that I know when I get to 10. Remember, we tally up 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, tally up 10. Okay, here we go. 22, but I'm counting backwards this time. Count with me. So I'm going to go this way. 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. So what number should be up here? You're right. Now, what do you notice about the ends of these numbers? If I started at 22, what's my other one going to be? It's going to end in a 2, isn't it? And if I started at 22 and I go backwards, it's still going to be a 2. What do you notice about my tens? Well, if this one was a 2 and I go 10 more, it's going to be what? The next number bigger, right? And if I go 10 less than that number, it's going to be what? The number smaller. Very good. All right, so let's try another one. I want you to use what we just talked about. Here's my number. Are you ready? My number is 63. Can you tell me 10 more than 63? Well, I know it's got to end in a 3. And I know I'm going to go, since I'm going bigger, I want one more. So 10 more is 73. Very nice work. Okay, let's find the smaller one. All right, I know it's going to have to still end in a 3. And I know I'm going smaller, 10. So 10 would be a 5. My number is 53. Good work. Let's try one more. My number is 34. 10 more than 34. Okay? Yep, you're right. I have to have that, and I have to have a 4 because I know it's 10 more. 10 less than 34, I know it's still going to end in a 4, and I know it's going to be a 2. 24, 34, 44. Uh-oh, I'm just counting by tens, aren't I? So I can keep going. 54, 64. So that, my friends, is how you figure out 10 more and 10 less. So for your game today, this is what I want you to do. I want you to have this. You're going to need either dominoes or dice. It doesn't matter which one. Okay? And I want you to pick a domino out here. I've got my domino. On this domino, I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my number is going to be 8. So I'm going to write my number in 8. Can I go 10 less than 8? Nope, I can't because we don't know how to do that. You'll learn about that when you get older. All right, but can I go 10 more than 8? Yes, I can. Well, that's here. I know that this still has to be an 8 and I have to put a 1. So my 10 more is 18. Very good. Okay, let's pick out another domino. Let's use this one. All right, so I have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12. Okay, I have 12. So my number is going to be 12. Let me get the right color here. My number is 12. I want to know 10 more than that, and I want to know 10 less than that. So 10 more, I know that I'm still going to keep my 2, and I'm going to put a 2 here. And I know that 10 less, I'm still going to have my 2, but am I going to have anything there? Nope, I'm not. I'm not going to have anything there. All right, now say you get like this one here. You can do this another way too. If you get a 1 and a 1, that makes what number? 2. You can pick another domino. You can pick another domino. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I can do 10 more and 10 less on the number 13. So I'm going to put my number is 13. I know if I go 10 more, I still have to keep that the same and make this a 2. And I know if I go 10 less, I can put the 3 and I don't have to have anything there. So you can play it that way too. All right, friends, I hope this helped you with 10 more and 10 less. Until next time, bye.